Hi everybody, it's Chris Lance, your favorite chainsaw carver from Georgia. And I'm here with my friend Seth Miller. And today we're going to be learning how to carve a bass. I've already done 3 cuts on my log. We're going to get Seth started. And you guys keep an eye out and see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Okay, now that Seth has his 3 cuts made, I'm going to kind of walk you guys through what we got going on so far. Alright, first we have the front cut, which we're pretty much shaping the entire front of the bass with that cut for the most part. And then we have the back one, and this one's going to be pretty much 2/3 of a bass maybe. We kind of save a lot of time on doing the back part right here. We may put in some reeds, jumping out of the water, something like that. And the next step is pretty much to sketch it on until you know what you want to go for. So we're going to go ahead and sketch our bass, and then we'll get started again. Okay, we have our bass drawn now. It's pretty basic. Please, you guys will not hold my piece to any kind of, high standards. I would prefer if you would look at nature for you guys' inspiration. This is really just my interpretation of what I think a bass looks like, and I did not look at a picture when drawing this one. We're going to go ahead and get started here in a couple minutes, and keep an eye out and see how it comes out. Okay, Seth's finishing up his cuts, and we're going to take a look real quick. All we're really doing when we sketch it on is marking the outermost extremities of the piece so that we prevent overcutting in the beginning. After you know your cuts and know where you want to put your piece, you won't have to sketch it on anymore. Maybe bend it a little bit more on the side, and you can see that I've outlined where I want my reeds to begin and where I want my fish to end. So right here I have plenty of room to suck it in and maybe give his tail like a little whip. So we'll see how that goes. If you guys will look closely, Seth didn't stick with his original line right here, how he sketched it out, and he decided that, hey, the body's too fat here, so he decided to change it, and now he's going to thin his bass up a little bit, and it becomes more proportionate in the end. You guys keep see how Seth's first bass comes along. Okay guys, we're back to the detail again. Seth's got his piece almost to where we are now. I'm going to go ahead and start on the detail on mine. Detail, in my opinion, is the most important part. You guys aren't going to get to watch the whole thing, you know. Some secrets are better left, I don't know, unknown, I guess. I'm going to go ahead and cut the bark off before I start, and we're going to get you guys in on a little of the techniques that I use, but not everything. I'd like to see you guys work on your own, see if you can't figure some of it out. Keep an eye out for what happens next. About 15 minutes from then. Pretty much cut the detail in after you shape the entire body, and this is what we came out with. Not bad. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch Seth a little bit and see if you can learn a little bit from him. He's still a beginner, but let's see what he got. Like Seth's first bass is coming right along. He said, looks to me like your first bass is coming right along. Looks like he's got some minor fin details left. That'll be cleaning up his bark a little bit, and maybe doing something with the back of it. But for the most part, he's going to be done probably in the next 10 minutes. Thanks for watching, you guys. Here's my piece, a little bit more cleaned up. I haven't blown it off yet at all. Still missing my little fin down here, which I'll do that later. Thanks for watching. You guys have a blessed day. The proof is in the pudding, my friend. If you want to know if it works, sure does. Great job, Seth. I'm very proud of you.